So students, let us find out the distance between two coordinate points. Okay, here in 10th standard CBSE or ICSE, okay, coordinate geometry starts with the distance between two different points. What is distance between two different points? Let us find it out.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.
Say for example, here P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 are two different points on the coordinate plane. Okay, and we need to find out the distance between them. So we need to obtain a formula, and don't by heart that. Without by hearting, I just want to give you the formula, derivation of the formula, so that you can understand that in better levels. Okay, just see. Let us do the derivation part of that. Okay, see for example, for my convenience, I want to draw the perpendicular from P to x axis. See here, I will draw it. Okay, this is perpendicular from P to x axis. Similarly, draw the perpendicular from Q to x axis. Okay, we have drawn perpendicular from Q to x axis. Now do one more thing. Draw the perpendicular from P to this Q line, this line. Okay, this line. Okay, we have drawn three perpendiculars. Understood? One perpendicular from P to x axis, another perpendicular from Q to x axis, and another perpendicular from P to this line drawn to x axis. Understood? This is perpendicular. So you can understand that here three perpendiculars are drawn. Okay, now what we need to do next? See this, it's a very simple one. We need to understand that what are the figures formed over here. See, here two figures are formed. Geometrical shape, first geometrical shape is your rectangle. Why? Because here 90 degrees means this is also 90 degrees, this is 90, this is 90, and this is 90, means remaining angle also would be 90. So in this quadrilateral, all the angles are 90 degrees. If in a quadrilateral all the angles are 90 degrees, then it's a rectangle or not? It might be a rectangle or might be a square. We are not sure for square, no? So it's a rectangle. And then what is this figure? This is a triangle. And what type of triangle? Right angle triangle. Understood? So here this is clear. Now try to locate the distances of the coordinate points. Understood? See here, what is x1 y1 mean? Okay, x1 y1 means here this point is at a distance of what? X units from x1 units from here and y1 units from here. Understood or not? Okay, from x axis it is at y1 distance, from y axis it is at x1 distance. Understood? Okay, now what does it mean? This point x2 y2 represents that from here to y axis, what is the distance? X2. And what is this whole distance? This is y2 or not? Distance of the point from x axis would be y2. Okay, what did you understand? Here we said that this is a rectangle, no? Since it's a rectangle, opposite sides are equal or not? So opposite sides are equal. So what can we say here? This is y1. Okay, so tell me, if this total distance is y2 and this distance is y1, then what is this rest part? Okay, difference of these two or not? So what is that? y2 minus y1 or not? This distance. Okay, now similarly, here this total distance is x2. Okay, let me show you here. This would be x2, and as I said you, this distance is x1. That means this distance is x1. This is x1. Okay, now this total distance is x2 and this distance is x1. So this remaining distance would be difference of x2 and x1 or not? So x2 minus x1. As we said that this is this quadrilateral is a rectangle. Okay, in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So therefore this side is equal to this side. So if it is x2 minus x1, so this side also would be x2 minus x1. Okay, now separate this triangle and see and observe here. let me draw this triangle over here. Okay, now what is this distance? Just we find now. Okay, x2 minus x1. And what is this distance? y2 minus y1. And what type of triangle is this? It's a right angle triangle. Okay, can we apply, okay, right angle triangle, for a right angle triangle, can we apply Pythagoras theorem or not? Exactly. Okay, so from this Pythagoras theorem, if you say this is a z, okay, this is z, then square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of perpendicular sides. So here z square is equal to what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so squaring on, applying square root on both sides, z equal to what? Under square root x2 minus x1, okay, whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now tell me, what is z here? Is it representing this PQ or not? So here this is PQ. Okay, PQ equal to z. So therefore PQ distance is what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under square root. Understood? Like this we obtained using Pythagoras theorem. Just by plotting three perpendiculars. Okay, we could obtain this. So this is what? Distance formula.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.